Where have you been? We have to finish lot of work on other sites as well.
Sorry, brother. There was so much of traffic, hence the delay.
It's okay, just get the DB. I'm going upstairs. What is this, Ravi? This is something new. It's not our regular DB.
This is new in the market. It's from L&T. Much better.
Have you installed it before?
Of course. Don't worry. It is a wonderful product. Installation is quick and very easy. Wait. Let me open it. You just watch how carefully it has been packed. Makes our life so easy and convenient.
Where are the other parts?
This carton contains all the parts that are used inside the box. We need not open the other carton until the wiring has been done. That way it remains clean, isn't it?
You're right. With cement, dust and paint work going all around, it gets damaged and start looking old and dirty. Wow, every part is packed separately. Door, frame, shield, box, chassis. Very nice. Very nice. For once, I can say you have done a thoughtful job.
Thank you. You hardly praise anyone.
This looks classy. Look, it also has a gasket for safety.
That too a good quality one. We'll keep it safe from water and dust. Means complete protection. You did not see this cement spill protector? When you have to install the distribution DB in the wall, first place this spill protector. This way you don't have to bother about the cement coating, dust, etc.
You are right.
Now let us start the work.
What are these plastic covers for?
These are used when you have to install the DB in the wall or any other material entering inside. Now since we are mounting DB on the wall, we can take it off. So that the DB is safe from insects or any other material entering inside. Before we mount, we will take out the chassis. Tell me why? Tell me.
It becomes lighter.
Precisely. How easy it is to take out the chassis?
Yes, it has become light now. Now it will be very easy to mount it.
L&T's new DB has one more special and convenient feature. When you install DB in the wall, these markings are on all the four corners. Do you see these markings? This. When you insert the box in the wall until this mark, automatically you will get the idea. And opening of the door will also not be a problem. No measurement required. Time saved. Can you please pass the screws? Now let us mount it on the wall.
Where is the space for wiring?
See, it's done, my friend.
Fantastic!
Now let's work on the chassis. Check these neutral bars. It has insulated shrouds on it. They have taken complete care of our safety. Okay, now give me the MCB please. And here we mount the MCB on the chassis.
And still there is a lot of space left around for wiring.
Have you ever seen so much space for wiring inside a DB?
They have made this new DB quite thoughtfully.
Let's now complete the wiring.
Hello, Chaudhary ji. Just 1 hour more. Yes. I will reach soon. Don't worry. Just a minute. Hello. Wow, you seem to have already done the job. Very neat.
Otherwise, you would have been stuck with the wiring.
You are right. Very good. I want to see the wiring again.
One more thing. To have proper earthing, star washers are provided. See,
This is awesome. Nicely done.
it is made by L&T. Has to be special. Now, let me show you the wiring.
Be careful. The screws might fall down. Searching for them is another headache.
No. Only humans can have loose screws, not this DB.
What is so special about this DB?
One spends a lot of time in finding screws if we miss them. L&T has given retainer screws. Total time save. Can you see? All screws are intact.
They have given knobs as well for easy handling. I did not notice this earlier. With this, handling will be so easy.
And look at these labels below the MCBs. You can write which MCB is connected to which circuit. Wait, I have one more point. Look here. You can see thoughtfulness here as well. You can put the door on the box from both sides.
This is required at times. Last month, I installed the DB just beside the pillar. It was very difficult working when door was not opening. With this DB, my problem would have been solved. I would have fixed the door on the other side.
Now look at this. A padlock can also be put up here. You're installing 10 DVs in the corner building, right?
Right.
You can impress the contractor and become a hero.
How?
If you install specially designed latches on all the 10 DVs,
Then?
you can padlock all the DVs with the common key.
What are you saying?
This is the magic of L&T, my friend.
Very thoughtfully designed. I'll start using these DVs from now on. Ravi, got to go. I have to visit Chaudhary ji place.
You want to leave without offering me even a
What?
cup of tea? I have saved you 30 minutes. You also have an idea to impress Chaudhary ji.
Okay, let's have a cup of tea.